In a recent study done by Securi, around 90% of all hacked content management systems that they investigated and helped fix in 2018 were WordPress sites. So what that means is if you rely on your website for business, whether that means for marketing purposes, for business operations, or anything important, protecting your asset is crucial. So if you haven't done it yet, you need to do it before it's too late. Why? Just like offline businesses, thieves can break into your business. Except when it comes to online security, you may not even know that there's an intruder in your site. And worse, they're using your site and you find out maybe months or years later, or you never find out. This is why it's essential to be proactive. Now, I want to say something that's very important. WordPress sites don't get hacked because the original code. In fact, the original code is actually very secure. But due to backdoors from third-party code, plugins, themes, and other codes, what it does is it opens up backdoors where thieves can simply walk in. Now, how do you find these backdoors? How do you know if a plugin or theme or third-party code might have a backdoor? Well, we're going to talk about that in that particular video. So that's what backdoors are. So if you're not tech savvy, you don't know how to find backdoors, what are some quick and easy ways to secure your WordPress website safely? So this is going to be a 8-part step-by-step video course where you're going to discover how to secure your WordPress site. Now, this specific training course was designed to help you understand how to secure, how to protect your valuable WordPress site. Now, here's a quick video's overview of what's inside this video course. Video 1 is the introduction. We'll talk about what you need before you get started. Video number 2, we're going to talk about backdoors, how to identify them, how to protect yourself. Video number 3, we're going to talk about WordPress hosting, why you should go with a specialized web host that specializes in WordPress. Video number 4, we're going to talk about how to protect your WordPress login page. And video number 5, we'll talk about different security plugins. Video number 6, we'll talk about the 2-step authorization plugins, which ones are the best and how they work. And video number 7, we'll talk about how to protect your files, basically how to protect them from other people utilizing them, linking to them, and using your bandwidth, which you have to pay for. And of course, last but not least, video number 8, we're going to talk about password protection, how to create a strong password, but also how to manage all of your passwords, especially when you have hundreds or even maybe thousands of passwords. So go ahead and grab this video course today and learn how to secure your WordPress site.